Hello science fans, it's Mrs. Corbett here with some biology revision for AQA. This is on paper 2, where today we're going to do the blood glucose concentration and how we maintain that with the endocrine system. So with hormones, what happens in the whole negative feedback loop, and we need to be able to talk about it pretty easily and usually answer 6-mark questions on this one. So let's get cracking. That's right, another classic Mrs. Corbett diagram. Now we need to keep our levels in our body pretty similar in terms of our glucose concentration. I'm just going to write concentration there. So the amount of glucose in our blood. There is reasons for this, because if your concentration levels are too high, it can cause glucose build up in your blood, which causes the water molecules in your cells to leave. Okay, at a rapid rate. Dehydrates you, is very, very bad. Okay, and they normally will get too high if we didn't have this brilliant control system of hormones due to food intake with lots of sugar in it. If our glucose levels get too low, that's usually because fasting, sleeping, or if we didn't have this hormone that helps them not get too low, it means that we can't do any respiration. Now, respiration is what releases energy and allows us to do all things. Respiration is super, super, super important. Okay, so this is why we have a way of making sure that our glucose level is normal, maintaining the homeostasis. Okay, means keeping our constant internal environment. If our blood glucose levels get too high, we need to take them back down to normal. And we do this by releasing the hormone insulin. And that comes from the pancreas. It travels in the blood to the target organ, which is the liver. Okay, and what that does is it stores glucose as glycogen until you need it. That'll take blood glucose levels down to normal. If this blood glucose level gets too low, we need a system for returning it to where we need it to be. And what will happen then is your body will release the hormone from your pancreas, glucagon. I always say it in American accent because we used to watch a lot of American videos. Your body will release glucagon from the pancreas. It will travel in your bloodstream like all hormones to the target organ, the liver. And what it will do there is it will turn glycogen, stored glucose, into glucose that can be used for respiration. Huzzah! I realised that you can't actually see that bit on the bottom. There it is. There it is. Because this works on a system where if we've got too much sugar in our body, we release insulin. Not enough, we release glucagon. Too much insulin. We're still always maintaining around this point, and we call this negative feedback. One gets too high, we decrease it. One gets too low, we increase it. Okay, and so this whole loop is called a negative feedback loop. Ooh, there we go. Learn this, you should be able to tell people about it. You need to learn, and you need to be able to tell people that. If you can just do what I just did then and draw it and explain it to someone, you are so halfway there on your revision. You're nearly there. You can pretty much do it. In fact, you can teach. You can take my job if you want it. Hope this was helpful. See you later. Bye.